Welcome to Medha's Healthy Veg Kitchen. Today I'm making uh, some dal, famous dish from Udupi temple. This is a moong dal recipe, moong dal with the snake gourd, and this is a sattvic food, so we don't use onion and garlic in it. Let's go into the recipe. I'm going to make hello, welcome to Medha's Healthy Veg Kitchen. I'm making a side dal dish. This is moong dal. I took half a cup of moong dal. This is a famous recipe from Udupi temple. This is the prasadam they make every single day. So I have half a cup of dal and almost 1 cup of snake gourd I chopped up, and I'm going to grind coconut and cumin with two one green chili and curry leaves. Because it is a Swatik recipe, which is temple prasad or temple offering, so we don't use garlic or onion in the cooking. So we don't have to roast it too much, because once the nice smell of this moong dal comes, that is when it's here and there. You can see little brown. That's all. You don't want to over cook anything. Okay, so we have, so once it's started roasting, that nice smell of comes and a little bit browning happens, that is when you have to take it out of the stove. Water in it and just cooking it. While cooking, you have to add a drop of oil into it, so it will avoid the frothing. So that's it. Cover it and cook it for till that dal cooks very well. Just took some water from that dal with a little dal, because I am using very little coconut. It's hard to grind. That's why I took little dal also. I am adding the two green chilies, not one green chili in it. Um, a little bit of cumin. That's what I'm going to do. And a spoon of cumin, and I will grind it and bring it. It's almost started cooking. You can see, yes, it's cooking now. So I'm going to add little more cooking is needed. So I'm adding that snake gourd. It's also half cup I chopped up. It's just a small snake gourd, half of it. I thought I will make this recipe today. And I'm going to add a little more water for this to cook. That I'm adding half a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. It's a bit more. And again cooking it, but increasing this heat a little bit so it boils. While it's cooking, I made the paste, coconut paste for it. I added little hot water and dal along with it, because the coconut was very little. It won't grind in my blender. And then I added one green chili and a sprig of curry leaves. I'm keeping another sprig for the final. I put one sprig of curry leaves, that's the green color, green chili and that, and 1 teaspoon of cumin. That's it, no other thing. And once this is cooked, I will add it and then do the tadka. cooked well. I'm adding that coconut paste into it. Washing this adding fresh curry leaves into it. And we are done. I'm covering it, keeping it aside, and I'm going to do the tadka now. I forgot to show you, this is my spice pan. All my whole spices are here. Coriander, fennel seeds, this is mustard, this is fenugreek, cumin, and black pepper, and this is the whole turmeric. The snake gourd and moong dal is done now. Take the picture. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this recipe, please comment below. Please like and share my video also. Thank you. We'll see you in another recipe.